with a peg leg in the kitchen.
But if it's a burglar, I have this.
I'll run up and get my pom-pom and we'll cheer him to death.
Hit him, Ben. Do not break my baton. I'm not kidding.
I'll handle this. Hey, there's no money in the house. The old lady's divorced. We got Jack.
Oh, for crying out loud, give me that.
No.
It's nothing. It's just that stupid tree branch banging on the side of the window. I thought I told you to trim those.
Yeah, about that. I didn't do it.
If you ever wake me up in the middle of the night again, you better pray that there's someone armed and dangerous in our kitchen.
You were really scared, weren't you?
Yeah? Scared I might kill somebody.
Okay, honey. It's only natural. We were all scared.
Yeah, for you, because you're a girl. But what if a guy like me came up and grabbed you like this? What? Ow!
Let that be a lesson to you, Van. That's what you get for not doing your chores.
So Van was going to scare off a burglar with Cheyenne's baton? Do you know how dangerous that is?
Yeah, you're right, Brock. What if the burglar had a slide trombone? It could have been a very violent parade.
Dad, it's really great that you're concerned, but the noise in the kitchen was nothing.
Yeah, sure, this time. But what if next time it's not a tree branch? What if next time it's a big, huge pile of candy?
Or an axe murderer. I meant a dolphin.
Morning.
Morning, Van.
Hey, Van, listen, the judge called. The tree is guilty, and they're giving it the wood chipper.
Leave him alone. He had every right to be scared.
I wasn't scared, so I wasn't the first person to rush in the kitchen. Ever heard of ladies first?
Don't worry, Van. You can borrow my nightlight. It's a train.
You know we should get? A gun. We'll keep it in the refrigerator. That way, when the burglar breaks in, we can say, hey, before you take all our stuff, how about a nice tall glass of free?
No. No guns, not with Jake and... No guns.
You should get an alarm.
You know what? I think she's right. An alarm system is a great idea.
Right. Top of the line. And Brock will pay for it.
Honey, wouldn't you be more comfortable just setting my money on fire?
This is no time to be cheap, Brock.
Yeah, it's not like you're buying a suit.
I'm just saying, they always try and stick you with these expensive options that you don't need. Automatic dial 911. It's 3 digits. How much faster can it be?
Okay, I'll shop around, try to find a good price.
No. If I'm paying, I'll shop around. The panic button. I mean, hey, open the window and scream. You know, I don't think we need an alarm system. Now that I've been through what I've been through, I'd know what to expect next time.
Yeah. You'd wake me up and go, Cheyenne, help me.
You know what? I let you do your little move, but if I came at you at this...
I definitely need to learn that.
Very impressive. Huh? Has our little Cheyenne been to the neighborhood dojo to learn the ancient art of karate? No, one summer at cheerleading camp, they made us take a self-defense class. I was voted most lethal. And the peppiest.
So you took only one class and you can take a guy down like that?
There's tons of stuff, Mom, that you could do to take down a guy. Van, come here, let me show Mom.
Oh. Leave me alone. Pound on your mother.
You know what? A self-defense class would be the perfect thing for us girls to do together.
Oh, that
Not
sounds...
you.